in upstate New York. Steph?
All right, so all that cold air, of course, is coming from the Midwest, Minnesota over the weekend, with a lot of people taking all that snow and doing something creative and for a good cause. That's where we find Mike Seidel this morning, just north of the Twin Cities. And Mike, this masterpiece, how long did it take them to make this octopus that's behind you?
Let's find out. We've got the Bartz Brothers, Stephanie. We've got Connor, Trevor, and Austin here all lined up. And Stephanie Abrams back in the studio. We ask, how long did it take to build your 18-foot octopus?
Well, it took over 500 hours from start to finish to get the whole thing completed.
And when did you get started?
We got started about the start of January, or a little bit before.
Well, December was a washout.
Yeah. It was so warm and we didn't get any snow, so there's no way we could start then.
Now, the question is, it's only snowed 16 inches officially. You mentioned yesterday, probably only about 10 inches up here in New Brighton in the northern suburbs. Where did the snow come from? How did it get here?
Yeah, it came from tennis courts, nearby church parking lots, places, anywhere we could find it, neighbors' yards.
But you made a point that it was not trucked in.
It was not trucked in. We touched every inch by hand. It was a lot of work.
And now that it's up here, how long does it stick around? Do you tear it down? Do you chop it up?
We just leave it to melt. We kind of have a competition who can guess the official date that it's all gone. Yeah. So we'll just let it sit there.
Now, it's your 5th year. You had the shark, you had the turtle, you had the walrus.
And a pufferfish, yes.
Oh, that's right. The first year was the pufferfish. Now, when's the latest this thing has been out here as far as the last bit of snow melting?
I think it was around the middle of May when it's been out there the latest.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
Middle of May?
That was 2 years ago. May 8th it melted.
May 8th. My gosh. Well, you guys are going to come back in about an hour. We've got some more questions, and we're going to talk about this is all for a good cause this year for the first time.
Yep. Yeah, it's for an organization called One Day's Wages to raise money for clean water in Haiti.
Oh, that's excellent. That's excellent. So, Stephanie, the Bartz Brothers will be back in an hour. We've got more questions.
Yeah.
We want to find out. We want to get the details on how they come up with the sculpture, how they pick the octopus.
Yeah,
in about
and
an hour.
Is it just snow? Is there any structure inside that? I really want to know how they did that tentacle over the walkway. That is some impressive stuff there. And also, it's got to make a difference year to year with the type of snow. Okay.